Ever wondered how protein powder can aid in weight loss? Well, you're about to find out. Welcome to our deep dive into the world of protein powder, a supplement that's been making waves in the fitness and weight loss community. Whether you're an elite athlete or just starting your wellness journey, protein powder has something for everyone. From curbing hunger to preserving muscle mass, the science behind this supplement is fascinating. Understanding the benefits of protein powder can be a game changer in your wellness journey. Protein is a powerful tool for managing hunger and cravings. Now let's talk about why this is. When you consume protein, it triggers the release of hormones in your gut that signal your brain that you're full. This is incredibly helpful when you're trying to stick to a calorie-controlled diet. It's like having a secret weapon against those pesky hunger pangs that can lead you astray from your nutritional goals. Now, let's consider protein powder. It's a concentrated source of this nutrient, allowing you to easily increase your protein intake without consuming extra calories from other food sources. A scoop in your morning shake or an afternoon snack can keep your hunger at bay, helping you control your appetite. The result? You feel satisfied for longer periods. This leads to fewer trips to the snack drawer and less mindless eating. And ultimately, that can make a big difference in your weight loss journey. Feeling satisfied means fewer trips to the snack drawer and less mindless eating. Protein has a high thermic effect, meaning it requires more energy for digestion and utilization compared to fats or carbs. Now you may be wondering, what does this really mean? Well, it's quite straightforward. When you consume protein, your body works harder to digest it. This process, in turn, burns more calories. It's like getting a mini workout just by eating. So by increasing your protein intake, particularly with protein powder, you're essentially revving up your body's engine. The more protein you consume, the more calories you burn during digestion. It's a win-win situation. But that's not all. This process also kickstarts your metabolism, making it work more efficiently throughout the day. Imagine your metabolism as a car. The more fuel you give it, in this case protein, the faster and longer it runs. And as we all know, a faster metabolism contributes to weight loss. So fuel up and watch your metabolism soar. When you're losing weight, you want to lose fat, not muscle. This simple truth underlines the importance of maintaining lean muscle mass during weight loss. And here's where protein powder shines. You see, when you're shedding pounds, your body could turn to muscle as a source of energy, especially if you're not consuming enough protein. But we don't want that, do we? No, we want our body to focus on burning fat, preserving our hard-earned muscles, and that's where protein powder comes in handy. By incorporating protein powder into your diet, you're providing your body with the essential amino acids it needs to repair and build muscle tissue. This is particularly important if you're combining your weight loss journey with resistance training. Why, you ask? Because resistance training breaks down muscle fibers, and protein helps rebuild them, making them stronger and more toned. So, by maintaining and even building lean muscle, you're increasing your resting metabolic rate. And what does that mean? Well, in simple terms, more muscle means a higher resting metabolic rate. Now, isn't that a win-win situation? Protein powder is convenient, perfect for busy lifestyles. Imagine this, you're rushing out the door, no time to cook, but you need a nutrient-packed meal. Enter protein powder. With a quick whisk or a blend, you're sipping on a protein shake that's ready in minutes, not hours. And the best part? No pots, pans, or dishes to wash. Just a shaker bottle or blender to rinse out, and you're good to go. But let's not box protein powder into just shakes. Its versatility is a hidden superpower. From protein pancakes to oatmeal, energy balls to savory dishes, protein powder can easily become a staple in your culinary adventures. It's an easy way to boost the protein content of your meals, without overcomplicating your recipes. So, whether you're a master chef or a microwave maestro, protein powder can fit seamlessly into your routine. Get creative and find ways to incorporate it into your diet. Look for high-quality protein powders with minimal additives. As we've seen, protein powder can increase feelings of fullness, boost metabolism, help maintain lean muscle mass, and provide a convenient and versatile nutrient source. But remember, it's not a magic solution. It's a tool, a supplement to a balanced diet and regular exercise. Whey protein or plant-based options like pea, soy, or hemp are excellent choices. So, make your choice wisely, with your health goals in mind. Combine it with a balanced diet and regular exercise for optimal results.